Hello students, how you all are? So today we will be continuing the chapter of degrees of comparison of adjectives, and in the previous videos we discussed about the adjectives and their 10 types of kinds. Now in today's video we will be discussing about the degrees of comparison. When there is no comparison between more than one person or one thing, when there is no comparison, it is a positive degree. When there is a comparison between two things or two animals or two places or two persons, that becomes a comparative degree. And when there is comparison between more than two animal, person, things, it becomes a superlative degree. Suppose that if I say he is young, there is no comparison. I am not comparing him to anybody else. He is young, anybody else can also be young, you can be young, I can be young, anybody can be young. I am not describing that who is more young or who is less young, but I am telling about a special person that he is young. About him only I am talking. So that is positive degree. If in comparative degree I told you there are two things or two persons compared with one another, that is a comparative degree. Suppose that if I say he is younger than her, or he is taller than Ramesh. So younger, taller. If I say uh, Ria is more beautiful than Shalini, so more beautiful. So, but in all these cases, you see that the two things or two persons are compared, not more than two. Comparative degree, the most necessary thing is that comparison should be made between the two, and uh, in most of the cases we use er, younger, taller, and is this type of things. So richer. So this type of things, uh, these type of words are used. Most of the comparative degrees we use er, but this is not a fixed rule. Sometimes we use a completely different word. Suppose that if I say he is a good boy, but I am comparing the two boys, I am saying he is better than him. Better. I am not saying gooder. If I will say gooder, it will become wrong. So different types of degrees of different words are there. It is given in your book. You have to learn them also. This is not a rule that in every case we will use ear. And also we use than, than, than. Suppose that if I say he uh, is taller than Rakesh. So than we use by comparing. For comparing we are using than. But there also than is not the fixed rule. We sometimes we can use of, we can use to. So that type of words we are using. So by our daily practice or regular practice, we will come to know by seeing different sentences what words are used in which case. And the third is superlative degree, when the comparison is made among more than two people, more than two person, more than two places, more than two things. So that type of word adjectives are called superlative degree. Suppose that if I say Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. So there are so many peaks in the world, not only two peaks, so many peaks. But out of all those peaks, I am comparing the highest peak. So I used highest. Highest means HIGH, high is the adjective, and I am using EST, highest. I am adding EST in high. HIGH EST. It became highest, and that is why it became superlative degree. In whichever degree we are using EST, that becomes superlative degree. This is also in most of the cases we use EST for superlative degree, but that is also not the fixed rule. Suppose that if I say beautiful, then comparative degree is more beautiful and superlative degree will become most beautiful. So that is not the rule that every time we will use EST, but most of the cases we will use EST. And whenever we are using superlative degree of adjective, we will use the. Suppose that if I say Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world, So before highest I used the. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. So wherever we will use superlative degree, the will be used. It is a fixed rule. Using the before the superlative degree, it is fixed rule. Fixed rule. Every time when we will use superlative degree of adjective, we will use the. So this rule is fixed. So let us now, this is the exercise based on the degrees of comparison, that is on page number 16 and E exercise. The red bus has 5 passengers, the blue bus has 8 passengers. We have to join these two sentences by using few. And by using, few is the adjective, and how we will be using it? So we will be using it by the comparing of the two things. The red bus has 5 passengers, the blue bus has 8 passengers, and we have to use few. So which bus has few passengers? Red. So we will write the red bus has fewer, see here, fewer, ERV added, passengers than the blue bus. Isn't it? We joined it and it became a single sentence, and this is a degree of comparison. Fewer. Second is the apples are ripe. The guavas are not very ripe. See, two fruits are there. The apples are ripe. Guavas are also ripe, but they are not very ripe. So we will be adding these two sentences. Ripe, which is more ripe? Apples. So we will be writing here the apples are riper than guavas. The apples are riper than guavas. See here again ER. So in most of the comparative degree we use ER. And two things are compared, apples and guavas. So not more than two are there, only two are there. So this is comparative degree. Rohan crossed the river in 10 minutes, Ram crossed the river in 20 minutes. And we have to use it by long. Join it by long. So which one is long? Which one time is long? Rohan in 10 minutes and Ram is 20 minutes. So Ram is taking more time. So we will write by using longer. Ram took longer time to cross Ram took longer time than Rohan to cross the river. Fourth is Sana's house is near the park, Rani's house is not near the park, and we have to join it by near. Whose house is more near? Sana's house is near the park, Rani's house is not near the park. So Sana's house is near, so we will write Sana's house is nearer to the park than Rani. Sana's house is nearer to the park than Rani. Isn't it? Here again nearer. It's a comparative degree. Two houses are compared, Sana's house and Rani's house. Sana's house is more near, so we will use nearer. The green dress costs 200 rupees, the orange dress costs 300 rupees. So we will be adding by cheap. Cheap means less costly. Which one is less costly? That is green dress. So we will write the green dress is cheaper. The green dress is cheaper than the orange dress. Isn't it? So here again cheaper. It is again a comparative degree. Which two things we are comparing? Green dress and orange dress. So this is the comparative degree and we are using than here. See here than, here than, then here than, here than, and here than. So in most of the cases in comparative degree we use er and than. But that is not the fixed rule. But in this exercise this was there, so we have done it. So that's all for today, and some exercises and PDF I have sent. You see it and prepare well. Thank you and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.